Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog which is all about Nandi City PU College. This campus looks cool and tidy. Let's interact with students and get to know about this college even more. Sure mate, where is bio lab here? No, my favorite lab. Oh, it's over there, let me show you. This is bio lab. A pair of students will be given a table which includes microscope and many more essential requirements used for the practicals. Come on, let me introduce you all my friend Boni. Hi Boni, say hello to our upcoming Nandi family. Yo, where is chemistry lab? Hey, I know where it is. Come, let's go. Yes. Here, this is the chemistry lab. Honestly, this lab is wonderfully organized. Cleanliness is next to godliness, they say. I have found this in chemistry lab. No stinky smell, high quality equipment. Each student will get an opportunity to perform their practicals individually. That was really nice. Come, let's go now. Hey, there's something over there. I don't know what it is. Let's go and see. For sure. Guys, what is your favorite spot in this college?
Canteen? Yeah.
This is not only just canteen, it is the second kitchen of our college. The most delicious food is prepared over here. Bring your friends, be stress-free and enjoy your food. Hey, what is your favorite thing in this college?
It's events over here.
Okay. Yeah, not only studies, but this college also gives preferences for extracurricular activities. Students here tell that they have inter-class competition where they conduct indoor as well as outdoor games, which includes badminton, cricket, throw ball and many. Prize distribution will be done on an event. Talents Day and Children's Day will be celebrated as well as Teachers Day too.
Hey, wait, is it a vlog?
Yeah.
Not only events like Sports Day and Talents Day, we also have trips included in our college and also have an opportunity to choose our own destination.
Yeah, you're right. Interacting learning tips and tricks like competitive exams as well as PU exams is being taught by the lecturers. Lecturers are not only to teach, they even guide us like a personal mentors and they always be with you at your low times. Now let's go into the second floor. Hey, which is your favorite class over here? Oh, it's there, physics lab. Come, I'll show you.
I would like to state that these are the best tools needed for lab practicals. They are brand new and have been used for the past 5 years, of course.
This is really nice. Hey, we forgot about the computer lab. Oh, computer lab. I know about it. Come, I'll show you.
Lab is the greatest lab I have ever seen. Each student will be undoubtedly receive a computer and all of the computers have access to the central air conditioning. Rather than showcasing their content on a tiny screen, they prefer to use a projector screen so that every student can see and participate alongside their teachers.
Second floor is done with 2 labs. Now let's go to the third floor. You'll be wondering that why is this class so huge?
But surprisingly, this is not a class, this is a seminar hall where online events have been held here.
Now we are done with all the classrooms. Now, oh, what about the commerce stream? Yeah. Excuse me, what about the commerce streams over here?
So before knowing about the commerce, let us basically speak about the motives of our college. So the main motives of our college are productive, proactive and productive. Productive. Here, the faculty will focus on personal care of the students. Here, they will regularly monitor the students and the extra care attention will be given to the students through guided study hours. Our college, apart from academics, our college mainly focuses on other cultural events and social events and sports events also. And also accompanies us with educational trips and industrial trips which enhances our skills. Our college contributes towards JEE, NEET, CSCS and CMA aspirants. Students here will feel safe and productive. After joining here, they will become proactive and they will come up with something productive.
Students here will learn morals and diplomacy, strict but with friendly mentors and principals who is clearly a person of principles. Students here with different skills and creators will be encouraged in all their activities.
Commerce courses covers a wide range of subjects related to business and economics, including accounting, finance, management, marketing, and economics. Here, these courses aim to provide a student with a comprehensive understanding of the practices and the principles involved in conducting business transactions, managing finance, market planning, and market strategic decisions. Here, students will develop critical thinking and problem-solving capacity and communication skills, which are essential for their success in commercial fields.
Generally, everyone will tend to opt science, thinking that there are many opportunities available in science. Parallelly, in commerce also, there are many available courses and professional courses such as CA, CMA, CS, and graduation courses like BBA, BCom, and BCA.
To be perfect with the concepts, weekend exams are held that are JEE Mains, KCET, NEET as well as PU. Overall, the planning of this college, their strategies, their vision to cope with the students is really well. I'm sure that you won't regret being a student of this Nandi college. At affordable price, you get the high quality education for your knowledge, PU as well competitive purpose. Come, join, be the member of our Nandi family. Me, Saloni and C. Sharanya are signing off.